And 18 Lima, turning left base for runway 30 Fishers.
In Park, this is Cessna 770 Romeo Tango, inbound for runway 101. Unicom. Lima.
We're not landing into the sun, that makes it easier. Yeah. Another notch of flap, Scooch.
Plenty.
And Fishers 18 Lima, turning final, runway 30.
Another notch of flaps.
Yeah, I'll have to wait till it turn final. Okay, give me full flaps.
Full flaps.
Blow this baby up.
Fishers Island, Unicom, 403 Echo Sierra. Where will you park for the day?
Yeah, I do have a, see the VASI? That's
yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah, you're good on glide.
Yeah, so I gotta slow it up now. I'm 100,
yep,
so that's
100.
good. Get to like 95.
105.
Traffic not available.
Little wind from the right. See
yeah.
the sock?
You're 100.
Okay.
100.
Okay.
Okay, you're 97.
Okay. Yep. That's
95.
Full power.
95.
Okay. Are we looking 90?
Yep, 90.
Okay.
92.
Okay.
87.
Okay. Killing it.
85.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Not bad, right?
Good
Not bad.
That's fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you no problems.
Yeah. Yeah. As long as you come in
just,
slow.
And you just can't hover over the airport.
Yeah. Yeah. You got to get down quick.
Back
You know, we don't have a whole lot of room. Yeah. Go ahead. Yep. Flight controls are good. The only thing I have to do is shut the AC off once we get ready for takeoff. All right. We're taking off without pressurization.
Yep.
You get a little more power.
We'll just run it up and,
yeah, and
AC,
we'll go.
AC off.
Yep.
Noise protection trim's good.
What's that?
Trim tabs?
Yeah.
Aux fuel pump. Windows good. Rudder locks good.
Yep. Clear. We're good, good, good.
All right, looking good, Dad.
Stock is helping a little bit. Good.
Yep.
Now, I've used all this before, but it looks pretty raunchy back there. I'm not going to go back. Trim is good.
Airspeed alive. Red line.
Okay.
80. 95.
Okay.
Rotate.
No problem. Yaw damper on. Okay.
All right, cool. No issue.
Not a whole lot of room to spare, but we're good. Take the controls for a minute.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah, once we got to 95, we're fine.
Yep.